I made $540,000 from one YouTube channel. I never spent more than 5 hours a week on it, and I never showed my face. And I actually sold this channel to an investor in January 2026. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how I did it and the most important lessons I learned along the way. Now, let me be completely transparent about something. This wasn't technically a faceless channel in the traditional sense. And what I mean by that is that we had a host on camera. But here's why that actually makes this case study even more valuable for you, not less. Because everything we learned from scaling this channel, all the systems, the hiring processes, the brand deal strategies, they work even better with faceless channels now. And I'm about to prove it to you. See, in late 2021, I bought this channel for $10,000. It was making maybe $10 to $15 a day, nothing special. But fast forward to January 2026, we sold it for $140,000. But at $140K sale price, that's just the beginning. Between the ad revenue, the brand deals, and the final exit, this one channel generated over $540,000 in total revenue. That's a 54x return on our initial investment, averaging over $10,000 per month. And I'm about to walk you through exactly how we did it year by year and dollar by dollar. Because if we could take a struggling channel and turn it into a $500,000 asset back then, imagine what's possible when you start fresh today with all the AI tools and all the systems we didn't have. Now, when we bought this channel in late 2021, it was barely alive. $10 to $15 a day, as I said. Most people would have looked at it and said, not worth it. But I saw something they didn't. The niche was solid, the content format could be improved, it just needed better execution and definitely a lot of consistency. So here's what we did. We found a host who could research and film for $30 per video. We hired an editor for $15 per video, bringing the total production cost per video to only $45. And we used a simple Canva template for the thumbnail, so nothing fancy. We were focused on one thing: consistency. Post, optimize, and repeat. By the end of 2022, we took that channel from $10 to $15 per day to $300 and $400 per day. So our year one ad revenue was $42,000. Not bad for a $10,000 investment and $45 per video, right? But we were just getting started. In 2023, something interesting happened. We didn't need to scale the views dramatically. We kept the channel steady at $300 to $400 per day in ad revenue, but this is when brand deals started rolling in. And I actually mean rolling in. We didn't have to cold email brands. We didn't have to pitch anyone. Brands started reaching out to us. Why? Because once you hit a certain threshold of consistent views and engagement, brands pay attention. And when brands reach out to you, you are in a position of power. All I had to do was coordinate them and manage the timeline. And here are the year two numbers. AdSense revenue, $109,000. Brand deals, $18,000 for a total of $127,000, all while spending maybe 5 hours a week managing the channel. And by 2024, the channel was already a well-oiled machine. Views started dipping slightly, which is normal for any channel over time. But here's where our brand deal relationships saved us. Because we'd built trust with these brands over the previous year, we could lean into brand deals even more. So that's what we did. We added more brand integrations to offset the slight dip in views, and it worked. Year three numbers: ad revenue, $86,000. Brand deals, $22,000 for a total of $108,000. Still consistent, still profitable, still only 5 hours a week. Now, in early 2025, we made a new decision. We could keep running this channel and collecting $8,000 to $10,000 per month, or we could sell it and redeploy the capital into new opportunities. So we doubled down on brand deals one last time while we prepare the channel for the sale. So here are the year four numbers, which was a partial year. AdSense revenue, $65,000. Brand deals, $55,000 for a total of $120,000. Then we sold the channel for $140,000 at a 16x monthly profit multiple in January 2026. Now, let's add all of these numbers up. Year one, $42,000. Year two, $127,000. Year three, $108,000. Year four, $120,000, and the sale, $140,000. The total, $537,000, rounding to $540 because we made a little bit more in the final months from a total of $10,000 initial investment. 54x return in under 4 years. And remember, this was taking me about 5 hours a week once he was up and running. That's it. 5 hours a week to manage a $500,000 asset. Now, here's where this gets really interesting, because back in 2021, when we bought this channel, we didn't have what you have today. We didn't have Claude to help with scripting, we didn't have AI voiceover tools, and we didn't have AI video editing assistants. We had to do everything the old-fashioned way, the hard way. Find a host, train them, hope they don't quit, and we still turned $10,000 into $500,000. So imagine what's possible now with all of these tools at your fingertips. Better yet, you don't even need a host on camera anymore. With Faceless channels, you can do everything we did without ever showing your face, using your voice, or filming anything. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, the tools are better than ever, and opportunity still massive. Here's what keeps me up all night actually, and what should probably keep you up at night too. Every single day, someone is building an asset that could be worth $100,000, $200,000, or more in a few years. And every single day you wait, that's potential revenue you are leaving right there on the table. Because here's the thing about YouTube channels as assets. They compound. The sooner you start, the sooner you hit monetization. The sooner you hit monetization, the sooner you start collecting daily payouts. Time is your biggest advantage right now. Not later, not when you're ready, now. Remember how I said this case study is more valuable because it had a host? Well, here's why. With a hosted channel, you are dependent on that person. If they quit, they get sick, or want more money, you've got problems. But with a Faceless channel, you've got none of these issues. You hire freelancers to handle the video editing and thumbnails, and you can use AI tools for scripting and voiceover. No one person is irreplaceable. It's a system, not a person. And systems scale, people don't. Plus, with Faceless channels, you can run multiple channels simultaneously. I've got students running 2, 3, even 4 channels at once. Because when you're not tied to a camera, the sky is the limit. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Okay, Raz, you did this, but what about regular people? Fair question. Let me show you just a few recent wins from our program. My student Mark has made over $125,000 from his Faceless channel and will receive his silver play button from YouTube any day now. Maddie and her partner have sold their first channel for over $600,000 and have recently started a new one that's already making $8,000 per month. This goes to show that once you understand how to build a Faceless YouTube channel correctly, you can repeat the process as many times as you want. Brian, he's an insurance professional who started a channel on the side that's making him $8,000 per month and just crossed 50,000 subscribers. Or Miko, who is a sales manager whose channel has now made him over $100,000 and has generated over 20 million views. And he never filmed a video himself, of course. Jason works as an IT project manager and his wife was due to have their first baby. He leveraged AI tools and now makes $4,000 per month, giving his family a new level of security that his job alone never could. And these aren't unicorns. These are regular people who follow the proven system and committed to it. Now, let me break down the 3 core pillars that made this channel a success. Pillar number 1, the right niche. We didn't pick this channel randomly. We looked for consistent viewership, proven monetization potential, aka high RPM, evergreen topics, not trend dependent, and of course, brand deal opportunities. If the niche is wrong, nothing else matters. Pillar number 2, the right team. $45 per video is cheap, but we didn't hire cheap people. We hired efficient people, people who could deliver high quality videos without hand holding. Your team, in my opinion, makes or breaks your channel. Pillar number 3, the right system. We didn't wing it. We had a clear posting schedule, a quality control process, and a simple process to handle the brand deals. Systems create consistency, and consistency creates results. So here's my question for you. If we could turn a $10,000 investment into $540,000 with a hosted channel using all the tools and system, what could you build with a Faceless channel in 2026? With the AI tools that are doing 90% of the heavy lifting nowadays, with proven systems that take the guesswork out of hiring, posting, and scaling, and with direct access to the exact playbook we use to generate over $500,000. Because here's the truth, YouTube isn't going anywhere. Actually, Google just announced they've paid out over $100 billion to creators over the last 4 years. That's billion with a B. And you just need a tiny sliver of that pie to completely change your life. $5,000 per month, that's most people's full-time income. $10,000 per month, that's financial freedom for most families. And $20,000 per month, that's retire your parents' money. It's all sitting right there, waiting for someone to grab it. The only question is, will that someone be you? I've shown you the proof. Now it's decision time. You can keep watching from the sidelines while other people build these channels and cash these checks. or you can get in the game, because the same opportunity that turned our 10,000 into 540,000, it's still there. Actually, it's still better than it was back then. And if you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel that could become a six-figure asset, I want to help you do it the right way. No guessing, no wasted time, and no expensive mistakes. Just a proven system that works. Now click the link below to learn more about how we can work together, and let's build your cash flowing YouTube channel starting today.